Hello, excuse me.
Hello, yes?
My phone is dead. Can I use your phone, please?
Oh, sure. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Hello? Okay, I called. Thank you again.
It's okay, no problem.
You are very kind. What is your name?
My name is Edward. And you?
My name is Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, Edward. This is Mia.
Hi, Mia. I am happy you texted me.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. A little tired, but happy now. And you?
I am fine too. I was busy, but now I can relax.
That's nice. I like to relax with music. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I also like to dance.
Really? That is cool. What kind of dance?
Korean dance. I practice with my group.
Wow, that sounds interesting. I never saw it.
You can see it soon. We will have an event.
An event? When?
Tomorrow evening, at the university.
Oh, really? I would love to see it.
Great, then come at 6 p.m.
Okay, I will come. I want to see you dance.
Haha, don't expect too much. But thank you.
I think it will be amazing.
The next day, Edward sits in the audience. Music starts. Mia appears in a beautiful traditional Korean dress, holding a fan. She dances with other girls on stage.
Wow, she looks amazing. I didn't know Mia can dance like this. I am really happy I came.
Thank you for coming today, Edward.
Of course, you were amazing, Mia.
Haha, really? Thank you. I was nervous.
You danced so well. I enjoyed it a lot.
So, what do we do now?
Are you hungry?
A little.
We can eat something. Or maybe go to the cinema.
Cinema? That sounds fun. What movie?
Maybe a comedy. I like funny movies.
Me too. Comedy is nice after a long day.
Great, let's go together.
Okay, let's go. Oh, it's starting.
Yes, are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
Me too, let's enjoy. The movie was funny. I laughed a lot.
Me too. I liked it. Thank you for bringing me.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Mia, are you hungry?
A little bit, yes.
Good, let's eat something. Do you want fast food or maybe a cafe?
Not fast food. I want something warm and cozy.
I know a place. It's called MyFood. It's small but nice.
MyFood? Haha, funny name. Okay, let's go. I like walking with you. It feels nice.
I like it too. Even in the cold, I feel warm.
You always say sweet words.
Maybe because you make me feel happy.
This cafe feels so cozy. I like it here.
Yes, the smell of coffee and food makes me feel at home. This pasta looks so good.
Yes, and it smells amazing.
Do you like pasta?
I love it, especially with cheese. What about you?
I like it too, but I think I like coffee more.
You and your coffee. It's delicious.
Let me try. You're right, it's perfect.
Hey, that was my bite. I like this place. It feels warm and quiet.
Yes, it's cozy, but maybe it feels special because you are here.
You always say such things.
Because they're true.
It feels so nice here. Warm food, soft lights, and snow outside.
Yes, I like moments like this. They make me think about life.
About life? What do you mean?
About where I want to go, what I want to do, about the future.
Tell me, what do you see in your future?
I want to work hard, become stronger, travel to many countries, and take care of my family. And I want to share my life with someone special.
That sounds big and beautiful. I also think a lot about the future. I want to study more, maybe learn new languages. I want to see the world too.
That's a wonderful plan. And when you travel, you won't be alone. I will go with you.
Really?
Yes, together is always better.
And in the far future, what do you want?
A peaceful life. A home full of love. Maybe children running and laughing. And nights like this, simple but special.
I want that too. A warm home, love, and happiness.
Then maybe one day, our dreams can meet.
Maybe they already did. The city looks so different at night.
Yes, the lights, the snow. It feels like another world.
I like it. It feels peaceful.
And I like it because you are here with me.
You always say sweet things.
Maybe because it's true. We are here, you're home.
Yes, thank you for tonight. It was perfect.
No, thank you. You made it perfect.
I didn't expect this day to be so special. The movie, the cafe, the walk, everything.
I feel the same. I don't want it to end.
Maybe it doesn't have to. We can make more days like this.
I would like that. Very much. Mia, New Year is coming soon. Can we spend it together?
Yes, I want that.
So, this is your home.
Yes, thank you for bringing me.
Thank you. For tonight, it was wonderful.
I don't want it to end.
Then let's not end it. This is just the beginning.
You always know how to say sweet things.
Because they are true.
Good night, Edward.
Good night, Mia. Sleep well.
See you soon.
Very soon.